Hello, No Man's Sky travelers. I threw down a base in the main system of Beeble Quadrant on planet Photaxis. Come pay a visit and explore my fireworks indoor theater. Inside, you can preview the new fireworks coming soon at your nearest Quicksilver merchant. Let me show you how to get in, and there may be some tricks to get the fireworks to work, so I'll have to explain that. Okay. Yeah, it's dark, so that's actually the best time of the day. Which, it's not really day, it's night. Yeah, I get it, okay. Alright. So you enter here to see the fireworks. And we're going down there into that dome. Okay. So you saw the message, save game, to trigger the fireworks. So first we save the game. Then you reload. And play some music, twiddle your thumbs, and wait for it to load. Okay, it's loaded here, so got to turn in the right direction. There we go, it's starting. Yeah, alright. So we're showing all three of the new fireworks. There's a double chromatic, triple burst, and Wheel of Herc. I wonder who Herc is. No idea. But it looks good. This should last for a while. When it finishes, you'll see it slowly diminishing. Some of them are lasting longer than the others. It seems like the Wheel of Herc lasts longer. Yeah, there you go. See, look at that. Wow. Alright, that's it. Yeah, and if you want to do it again, you just reload. You've already saved. And that's it.